Ever wondered how Domino's Pizza became a global giant? Journey with us as we trace the origins of this pizza powerhouse back to 1960. Nestled in Ypsilanti, Michigan, brothers Tom and James Monaghan made a daring move. They purchased a small pizza store named Domino's. The road was anything but smooth, and by 1965, Tom Monaghan took the reins, rebranding the store as Domino's Pizza. The secret to Domino's success? A razor-sharp focus on delivery, takeout, and quality pizza. But the real game changer came in 1973 with the introduction of the audacious 30-minute delivery guarantee, a pizza in half an hour or it's free. This innovative move set Domino's apart from the crowd and fueled its rapid expansion across the United States. By the close of the 1980s, Domino's had not only thousands of stores across the nation, but was also making waves overseas, penetrating markets in Canada, the United Kingdom, and Australia. But every success story has its share of trials. The 1990s brought Domino's under scrutiny. Concerns over the quality of its pizza and the safety of its delivery drivers tarnished the brand. Negative publicity and declining sales necessitated a strategic reassessment. With new leadership at the helm, Domino's embarked on a comprehensive revitalization. The company bolstered its product innovation, diversifying its menu to include an array of pizzas, sandwiches, and sides. Embracing the digital age, Domino's launched online ordering platforms and mobile apps, enhancing the customer experience. The Domino's Pizza Tracker, a real-time order monitoring tool, revolutionized the industry. As the dawn of the 21st century broke, Domino's had firmly established itself as a global pizza titan. The company continued to broaden its international reach, tapping into new markets and tailoring its menu to local tastes. Corporate social responsibility took center stage, with initiatives to minimize environmental impact and support local communities. In recent years, Domino's has remained committed to evolution and innovation. Exploring new growth avenues, the company has formed partnerships with third-party delivery platforms and introduced cutting-edge menu items like plant-based pizza toppings. Despite the competitive landscape and looming challenges, Domino's resilience shines through, underpinned by its dedication to quality, convenience, and customer satisfaction. Today, Domino's Pizza is more than a pizza delivery chain. It's a symbol of success, innovation, and mouth-watering pizza. From its modest beginnings in a small Michigan town to its global footprint spanning over 90 countries, Domino's narrative is one of resilience, adaptation, and unyielding pursuit of excellence. As Domino's continues to shape its future, one thing rings true. Domino's will forever be synonymous with fantastic pizza and exceptional service.